Always be polite, kind, and respectful to all. Listen and be open to different ideas. Display a positive attitude. These are just a few of the hallmarks of the value of people. And this description perfectly describes Nate Vandervest, this year's Bell & Health Individual People Values in Practice Award winner. If you're a runner in Wisconsin, chances are you know Nate Vandervest. He's one of Bellin's running specialists, and it's his mission to help runners of all abilities be the best they can be.
The value of people means to me the ability to connect with, the ability to relate to, the ability to just value a person and work with them and understand them and connect them. And I think Nate does a fantastic job of connecting people to Bellin.
Nate engages the community in so many different ways that start with his training runs for the Bellin Run. I get to work side by side with him, and he has developed such a great rapport and relationships with so many people through those training runs, through all of his classes. You see him at cross-country meets.
The area cross-country and track kids, for me, it's just something I love to do. I've always loved going out to track meets and then cross-country meets as well. So a lot of the kids that I have in, I want to show them that we really do care, and I do care about how they do with their season. So I usually put down on the calendar dozens of meets throughout the year and do my best to get to whichever ones I can.
When Nate and I presented at the state cross-country meet a few years back, we had the opportunity to touch a large amount of coaches from the whole entire state.
Our running assessment piece is an area that's really taken off for us here, especially with the new movement lab. So we brought in teams from Darlington, Wazeeka Steuben, Waukesha North, teams, these kids are traveling from 2.5 to 3.5 hours away. But it all comes down to what we've been able to create for them here.
Nate has been the driving force behind the Titletown Race Series, and because he saw that how important the training runs were for the Bellin Run, and worked so hard in getting people active and trained, with the Bellin Run being that overall goal. So they would get to that goal, and then it would be gone, and then they would lose momentum. And he understands that keeping people active on a continuous basis is really what's best for their health.
Well, my goal here at Bellin is to make sure that all runners know that if you need a place to go, Bellin is the place to be. And I want them to value that as far as the staff that we have. It's not just me, it's the doctors, it's the therapists, it's the athletic trainers, it's all the other trainers and strength coaches that we have on staff.
I'd like to congratulate Nate Vandervest for this well-deserved VIP award for people. I know he's going to continue to have a positive influence on the people of our community for a long time. Well done, Nate.
Congratulations, Nate, on your VIP People Award, a very well-deserved award for you. And I have to say, I am so thankful to have been a part of your development and our running program development over the past 8 years here. I feel very fortunate to have worked with you.
I'd like to say a big thank you to Lisa Ranke for nominating me. You've always been my #1 supporter. I'd like to thank my team leaders that are out there. I've sent most of you an email already thanking you. There's a lot of people that have been involved in me getting to the place that I am today, so thank you very much.